In today's video, I will be doing a OEM Plus style upgrade to the interior lighting in Project GR with the Diode Dynamics LED interior lighting Stage 2. Included in this kit, you will get the trim panel removal tools, 2 vanity bulbs, 2 map light bulbs, 1 trunk bulb, 2 dome light bulbs, and 2 door bulbs. They're all 194,921 for the lighting, except for the vanity or mirrors. Those are SMF2. Pretty high quality trim removal tools they're giving you. So now we're going to pop out we're going to start with the map lights. Very simple to pop out, as you can see. Just stick this in. Again, this is the 194,921, and they just pull straight out. Ooh, it's a little warm being an incandescent bulb. As you can see, the incandescent bulb is a yellowish amber color. This one here is a white light, true white light, the LED. Oh, that got a little warm a little fast. And you can test it before you put it back away by pushing the little white button here. Again, it's very simple to pop. Just use the straight edges. Probably going to be hot again. And it's a round barrel style. So I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver, try to get this guy out without breaking it. So I just put the flathead behind it, kind of pushed gently so I didn't break the glass housing. This is the OEM bulb. This is the new LED bulb. So you're going to want to make sure you've got that straight when you push it in. Again, very simple. Not working. Did I get a defective bulb? Or did I plug it in backwards? Maybe there's a top and a bottom. Sure hope it's not defective. Yes, these will only work one way. I got lucky on the first one. Guess you got to put the cover on, huh? If you have the premium model, this would be a little lens here. On my model, the Hakone edition, it's not, but you would pop it out here with your little trim removal tool and replace the bulb. On mine, I'll show you what I found when I took it apart. So as you can see here, it had this casing over the top, letting it shine out. And I found this. I undid the screws for this, the very small ones. And there's a LED on the motherboard, so that's not swappable. Looks like this is just a little lens that puts it out and says Hakone Edition on the ground. Looks like I'm gonna have to pop that cage out to get the bulb out. And of course it's incandescent, so it's getting warm the longer you take. We're going to unplug it over here, unplugs here. So this is what it'll look like once it's unplugged. I do recommend you wait a bit. It is very hot. To get this off, it looks like it's got a hinge here and a little flapper doodle here that you just kind of pry over with your fingernail right here. The door opens. And as you can see, it's not easy to get out. Now I'm hoping we get it right the first time. I bet these are one way it works and one way it doesn't, probably. That won't plug in there. Maybe that's backwards. I don't know if there was a backwards or not. I got it to plug in. Let's make sure before I plug it back in that it's going to work. Okay, as you can see, it's working. Looks like you'll just push it back on from the front back. From the front of the car in first and then the back in, and it just clips in. Looks like I have 4 extra bulbs I will not be using. There is no real dome light in here. I do not see one. The map lights are the dome light from what I'm seeing. The door lights, the puddle lights, I cannot use like I was telling you earlier. So that's probably why I have 4 of these bulbs left. That's almost another kit for somebody. If they just bought one, wait a minute, maybe it is an extra kit for somebody. I have 2 map lights, 1 trunk light. Yeah, I pretty much have another kit for another GR86 premium edition. If they only wanted to do their 2 map lights and their 1 trunk light, or their doors and their map lights and no trunk, again, I would just do the map lights and the trunk. In the dark with the stock trunk lights, the incandescent bulb. In the dark, again with the stock bulbs. This is what the Hakone Edition puts out on the floor or the ground. The kind of orangish, yellowish light that comes out there isn't bad. All of it is way brighter than what I thought it was going to be. Let's check the trunk now. Way brighter. As you can see, this is a very simple installation and very much worth it. It improves the interior lighting. I believe this car should have came this way, not with old school incandescents out of the 80s, 90s era. This is the 2020s. It wouldn't have been much more money for them to put the right style of bulbs in there to begin with. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe. Have a great week.